Hi, it's Gary. We finally got the tree home and inside and decorated. And normally we like to choose a theme. It might be Victorian or religious like angels and things of that sort. But this particular year, we were kind of in a hurry because I was a little under the weather. So we just got it decorated. But this is the tree that I promised that I would show you how we decorated it this year. But the other reason for this video is to show you how you can decorate your tree with various themes. I went over to the Meijer Conservatory in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and every year they have a display of Christmas trees with themes from different countries. So for the next few minutes, I'm just going to show you some of those themes and some of the decorations that you can put on your tree if you'd like to have that type of a theme situation when you're decorating. Also, here in Michigan, a great place for us to go is a business over in Frankenmuth, Michigan called Bronner's, and it has all things Christmas. It is a destination. It's in Saginaw County, and Saginaw County is the most visited county in the state of Michigan. So if you're up around here, you might want to stop by Bronner's. They have an awful lot of stuff. And I heard there's another place in Indiana that has something similar, and if I can find out the name of it, I will put it on the screen. And of course, both of these places will probably have websites. So I hope you enjoy these pictures that I picked up from Grand Rapids, and maybe it'll give you some ideas for decorating your trees.